Hi. I have a New York City kind of shopping haul or unboxing. I bought quite a few things from New York. So I spent the good last few weeks of 2017 and I guess the early parts of 2018 in New York. So I spent New Year's Eve there and New Year's Day, etc. Yeah, so it was kind of like treating yourself after a 24-hour flight from Australia. So it was pretty good. So I have some stuff from Fendi, Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton, Celine, and also Bally. So it was kind of like just a collective haul from New York. So I bought them from all over the place. So I bought them from Soho, Macy's, kind of what's it called Fifth Avenue, just all over the place. So yeah, I've kind of forgotten where I bought most of them because yeah, it's kind of just whatever. So firstly, I bought this thing from Fendi. So I bought this kind of key charm, kind of Fendi thing. I think this was part of their, I don't know if it wasn't their recent collection, but it's kind of like last season or something. It's when they used the Fendi motif and kind of like Fendi think. So it's kind of like this clasp closure and then a button thing where it's like kind of exchangeable. There's actually four of these with different colors in Fendi and a different kind of word think. So it's kind of like these encouraging words like hope or something. I actually got it here. So Fendi hope. So it's pretty cute. There's like four of different colors, but I'm kind of digging the red. I actually want a backpack from Fendi that has this motif or kind of this logo on it. I think it's pretty cute. I actually wanted a beanie when I was in New York. I saw quite a few people wear the beanie that said just Fendi, but it's kind of like the reversible one. So it's pretty cute. So I use this for my work bag, which I'll show you soon. But yeah, it's pretty cute. Next, I got something from Balenciaga. So this is really cute. Balenciaga's pretty hot right now. I got this one. This one's pretty, it's not really a trend item. It's kind of just like, I would classify as like a classic type of thing. So I got an SLG, a small leather good from there. It's pretty cute. To be honest, I'm actually using it right now, so I just boxed it up. So it's pretty awkward. So yeah, it comes with this dust bag. And here it is. It's the Balenciaga. I don't know what it's called, to be honest. But it kind of has the motif at the front of the city bag. The one that, I guess, the classic Balenciaga line. Not like the, I don't know what the other bags are called, I forgot. But yeah, it's pretty cute. It comes with two card slots and then two gussets in the middle. So you can kind of fit like everything and like your kitchen sink in there and like all your like loyalty cards and stuff, like your stamp cards. Look, coffee card. Me and my coffee lady are like this. Like when I buy one coffee, she stamps twice. We're like best friends, whatever. So yeah, this is really cute. This is a faux zipper. It's actually pretty hard to like zip back, but like it's a faux zipper, but it's pretty cute. Yeah. Okay, I'm not putting it back in the box because I'm actually using it. So yeah, that's from Balenciaga. And then what else? I got this Celine Sunnies. So I got this Celine Sunnies. It's pretty cute. Comes in this type of like suede or like microfiber like case or something, whatever. I think they all come in this. Don't know, don't care. Sorry, I'm actually just like, oh, this is how I talk, so it's pretty awkward, but yeah, okay. So this is how they look. I think they're kind of like obnoxious, but not really. But I'm really obsessed with like really oversized glasses, as you can see by my optical glasses. They're pretty cute. I don't know what they're really called, but I think they're female or something, but you know, I don't really care. Like, I'm not gonna wear this for work, but this is like kind of like a weekend thing. I kind of like to put them down here because like, you know, when you do this, you can't really see your eyebrows, so it's pretty awkward. But yeah, it's pretty cute. I like it. It has like the Celine motif of the three dots. It's pretty cute. It doesn't really say Celine anywhere, which is fine. But yeah, it's cute. I like it. Yeah, it's pretty cute. But here it is. Not really. Okay. by the way, my glasses are from Saint Laurent. They're actually sunglasses that I changed the lens to my prescription, so they're pretty cute. But I got another pair of Saint Laurent lenses coming in, so I'll do an unboxing with that. It's pretty cute. I just need to change the lenses. But yeah, here are my Celine glasses. And then this, I guess this has been in the frame for a while. You guys are probably like, oh my god, just unbox your Louis. I'm like, okay, whatever, settle down. But yeah, it's pretty cute. This one, I went to every Louis Vuitton store in America. Well, in New York City. Well, not every, but like I tried to find whatever. So I went to like, I think about 4. I think I went to like the one next to the 9/11 Memorial, which was the Brookfield place. And then I went to Macy's in Broadway or something. I'm not sure. I think there was one in Fifth Avenue. I forgot. I don't know. But I got this from Soho. So this was kind of like my last destination Louis type of expedition hunt for this item. So every store I went to, and they're like, no, you don't have this type of thing. And I'm like, okay, well, I kind of assumed so, but like I was just asking. And like they had some epi leather ones, and I was like, they're like, take it home. And I was like, kind of like, no, not really. We have this in Australia. I can buy it in Australia. Don't really want it, from New York. So I found it in Soho. It was pretty cute. Actually, the first sales associate when I walked in, it was like a guy who was kind of like pretentious and stuff. But I was like, yeah, excuse you. But it was kind of annoying me. So I asked him, oh, do you have this item? And it was kind of like, no, like sold out. Duh. And I was like, okay, well, thanks, bye. And then the sales associate that was serving someone else, she was really nice, she was really cute, and she was like, hey, I have one, wait here. And I'm like, do you really? Don't lie to me. And she's like, yeah, I do. And I'm like, oh my god. She's like, yeah, I know. So she came out with this. I'm sure most of you would know what it is. It's the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26. I'm obsessed with this. Look at it. Look how pretty it is. I love it. It's made in Spain. I think people just show this. I don't know. I'm not sure if they make this like, in the US. You know how people are like, oh, made in US. I'm not sure if they make it in the US, but whatever. But it's really cute. It's just like one compartment with like, I think a wipeable material inside. I just stuff it with some paper so to keep its shape. But I've been using it quite often, which is why it's kind of like colored or whatever, because it's pretty hot in Sydney right now. It's like blazing hot. It's like I can keep it in the sun for like an hour and it'll be like black or something. I don't know. I don't keep it in the sun. I just sit in the shade. But yeah, it's pretty cute. I love it. I use it as a clutch. I don't really use it as a toiletry, so don't judge me. Like, I know a lot of people have hate for this because people are using it as a clutch or whatever. But I guess it's pretty cute. I'm really obsessed with it. I like using it. I use it on the weekends when I go out with my girlfriends or my guy friends. So we just go out and kind of just like bring it for like brunch or something, because it fits quite a lot. It fits like what you could fit in like a crossbody bag, like a small kind of cute bag. So yeah, I'm really obsessed with this, but yeah. And it comes in this cute box. I'm obsessed, but yeah. Really enjoyed that type of experience in Soho. Kind of like, was like the cherry on top of my shopping. This was actually the last item I bought, to be honest. Because I bought like all these things and I was like, oh, do I really need to buy more? But like, I'm kind of like sightseeing and stuff, but I actually wanted to go shopping. But like, I actually bought this on New Year's Day, the toiletry, in Soho, and like Chanel and stuff were closed and stuff. I went into Versace. I really wanted a bag there, the one with the, I don't know, whatever, but it's pretty cute. Love it. And then last I have the bag that I use for work. It is from Bally. I don't know what it's really called. It's called like the Talcio. I don't know. Correct me. But it's like a top handle bag with a shoulder strap. It's like crossbody and stuff. So I kind of use my Fendi clasp for this. So I'll put it back. It's pretty cute. Actually. Yeah. So that's how it looks like. It's pretty cute. Yeah. But yeah, I got this bag and it was really nice. I thought, because I work in like kind of like corporate professional services type of thing, like ish, company, and like in my other companies, yeah, they're like corporate or professional services, but they're kind of like more lenient with the type of customer base we had. Like, I could wear my Fendi tote with the monster eyes. I could wear my Saint Laurent tote. No one really second guess or like question it, but I guess in this kind of context, I kind of like to, you know, calm down a bit with my, you know, choice of bag. So yeah, it's pretty cute. It fits quite a bit, but it's not really that sturdy, to be honest. Like, I think in my first week back, I put my laptop in it because I have a laptop bag, like my work laptop bag, and I usually bring my laptop home to like do stuff, whatever. And I was like, oh, for the next day, I was like, oh, I'm not gonna bring 2 bags because like it's pretty annoying to hold 2 bags, and you kind of look like you're trying too hard with 2 bags, and it's like, sorry, but I need 2 bags. But yeah, so I tried putting my laptop here for a week, and I was like, oh my god, it works so well. And then like these leather tabs that like hold the kind of shoulder straps, they kind of like unthreaded, and I was kind of like, oh my god, I think I broke it, but I'm gonna go back to the store and see if they can fix it. So I went back, and you know, they're like, yeah, we'll fix it 4 to 6 weeks. 4 to 6 weeks, and I was like, okay, fine, I'll just use my laptop bag, which is not that bougie or whatever, but whatever. But yeah, so I was like, yeah, okay, fix it. But they called me on Friday on that week, so it was like 4 days, not 4 weeks. Maybe I heard wrong, I'm not sure. But it was like, yeah, I'm kind of obsessed with it. It's pretty cute. It's kind of like with the classic red and white motif from Bally. I've kind of always wanted a Bally bag because I feel like that's what grown-ups wear. Like a lot of people in my office, they would wear like, you know, Bally bags, like laptop bags, like crossbody bags and stuff. And I was like, oh my god, like I really want to be a professional. Not like I want to be professional like them, but yeah, usually I just wear like my Fendi bag and stuff. But you know, this is pretty cute. I usually wear it on the shoulder. I like, yeah, I don't really zip it, but I think I might zip it because I think it really screws it up if I don't. But it's pretty slouchy. It's like a calf skin. It's like really malleable and stuff. But it's really cute. I think I saw this ages ago. This guy wearing it on the street when I was waiting for the bus or something. And then I was like, yeah, that's really cute. But I think the handles were like the fabric, not leather handles. So these are more cuter because the leather handle. And I really like top handles because when you're on the train or on the bus, you kind of just like grab and go, like, you know, but whatever. It's cute. Do you love my Fendi charm? I really love it. Because I can't use my Fendi, like, monster charms on these, so for work and stuff, but, you know, I can use this because, like, just says Fendi. Like, half the population doesn't even know what Fendi is, so, well, they can Google it, but whatever. Okay, yeah, so that's what I got from New York. I actually have another pair of sunnies, like I said, I think, is coming in, so I can do an unboxing with that. I have quite a few. I buy quite a lot of stuff because, you know, I'm quite impulsive, or I just, you know, I'm obsessed. But yeah, anyways, see you in my next video. Bye.